dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the jeweler, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy.
Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Shay and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Today's video y'all is about my giveaway. Okay, so the video, if y'all don't know, was right here. It doesn't really matter anyway. Actually, it's right here. It'll slide up across, but it was for the contact lenses, which I have right here, and y'all already know it's the contact lenses up in here that I was giving away. I'm giving away 5 pairs with the contact lens solution. So anyway, this is not all about the lenses because y'all already know about the lenses. This is about the giveaway winner. So if y'all entered the giveaway, thank you so much for entering my giveaway. There will be more to come, so look out for that. Once I hit 1.5K, I will be doing a makeup giveaway. Yes, okay. So let's see who this winner is, shall we? I'm going to pull it up on the screen, honey. Alright, so here we are, y'all. Hold on, let's see. And this is all random, y'all, so here we go. Okay, and this is the winner, Miss Brittany Carter. So Miss Brittany Carter, hey girl, hey! Congratulations on winning your contact lenses and the solution. I will hit you in your email, or you can email me and send me all the information that I would need to send you these beautiful contact lenses. I'm sorry for those who did not win, but as I said before, there will be other giveaways, and there are also going to be more contact lens giveaways, so look out for that, okay? But yes, this is short and sweet. We all know who the giveaway and winner is. Congratulations once again. So I hope you enjoyed this video, even if you did not win, which I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry. I wish everybody could win a pair of lenses, but there will be more, as I said before. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button right down there, and also hit that bell that's right next to it. That way you won't miss another video or another giveaway from me. But anyway, I'm your girl Shay, and I am signing off. So I will see you guys in my next video.
She just wants to be beautiful, she goes unnoticed, she knows no limits, she craves